Wake up, guys. Yoo-hoo. Hey. Hi, big baby. How's you doing? Almost 3 weeks old now. Copper's on the far wall. Come here, Bubba. Come here, little one. Oh, yeah, she's a good boy. I like him at this age. Where's my little boy? Buddy! He's really nice. He's got a nice head on him. But he is smaller. They all have nice heads. Hey guys, wake up. Come on. Hey sweetie. I'm pretty sure. Penny? Puppy. Here's my little girl. Yeah. Hi guys. How'd you go, babies? Hey Bubba. Turn around here. Oh yes, I know. Come here, turn around. Let them see your pretty face. Isn't he gorgeous? Oh yeah. You have Casino's face. Pretty. Oh yeah. You're bored with the whole thing. Okay. Close-ups. Coming in. What, little one? They're all whimpering for mommy, so I'm going to cut this short. And we're going to stick them back in with mommy. Copper. Hi, baby. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. Okay. I'll get individual pictures shortly. I promise, everybody. Okay. That's all for now. Bye.